The top manufacturers today are working towards sustainable development goals. In this short video, A Priori is giving you a look at the top sustainable development goals that manufacturers are trying to achieve. Subscribe to A Priori's channel to make sure you get the next video in the series. Let's define Sustainable Development Goals. Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, are a set of 17 global goals that were adopted by the United Nations General Assembly as part of the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. Sustainable development goals that are relevant to manufacturing include responsible consumption and production, reducing waste and increasing resource efficiency, climate action, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and promoting sustainable energy. To reach these goals, companies need advanced sustainability models specific to manufacturing if they are to understand the waste, energy usage, and greenhouse gas emissions of their products. A Priori's Manufacturing Insights platform calculates the waste, energy usage, and greenhouse gas emissions of each design decision so that you can take immediate action towards reaching your sustainable development goals. To learn more, visit apriori.com/sustainability. And don't forget to click on the link below to subscribe to get the next video in this series.